In today's video, I'll show you how to change your cursor to a custom one using the Microsoft Store. Before we get started, you can help me continue creating useful content by supporting me through the Buy Me a Coffee service. The link to my Buy Me a Coffee profile is in the description below this video. You can also visit the site by scanning the QR code displayed on the screen with your smartphone. Any amount you choose to donate will be incredibly valuable to me. Thank you for your support and attention. Let's get started. First, open the Microsoft Store. You can do this by clicking on the Start menu and typing Microsoft Store in the search bar. In the Microsoft Store, type Custom Cursor in the search bar and press Enter. You will see a list of applications that allow you to customize your cursor. Choose an app that looks good to you. For this tutorial, I'll be using Custom Cursor for Windows. Click on the app and then click Install to download and install it. Once the app is installed, open it from the Start menu or directly from the Microsoft Store. Inside the app, you'll see a variety of cursor packs to choose from. Browse through the options and select the one you like by clicking on it. After selecting your desired cursor pack, click Apply or Install within the app. Your cursor should now be updated to the custom one you selected. Check your cursor to ensure it has changed. Move your mouse around and see the new design in action. That's it. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips. See you soon.